Hi, good morning, guys. मेरो घाँटी पुरा दुख्दैछ अम्बो. I don't know. I think I have tonsillitis today. Oh, I can't swallow my spit also. Anyways, check this out, guys. There's no roof. Yo, open washroom, by the really. Anyways, guys, I'll freshen up and I'll see you later. Bye. So, guys, yep, I'm going down Khola. I thought I will not be going Khola right now, the guys left me and I told I don't want to go right now, but I was feeling so bored, so I just wanted to go and chill for a while. I'm not going to be swimming today because I've got this tonsillitis and it's paining quite bad, but I'm just going to go and accompany them and I'm going to stay for a while. I think they're also just chilling, doing some fishing and all that, gonna swim I guess, but not me, not today. I'm just gonna chill, bro. So I'll see you all when I reach Khola, and that's it for now, guys. Peace from Lake Shep.
Yes, brother. Yes.
Yes.
म त खोजेको भइदियो नि तपाईँहरूलाई.
हामी नि थियो नि हो.
तपाईँ दुईजना मात्रै हो?
आउँदैछ केटाहरू.
What's up?
Yes.
Looking good.
एकदम.
It's a beautiful day, my brother's out here, Pranita is over here, PP Krishna is over here. So yep, that's about it. I'm in the Khola right now and I can't swim, guys. If I swim, Dad's gonna kill me. He won't kill me, but I'll kill myself because I've got tonsillitis and I can't do that. Anyways, it's damn me, some of you, I feel like swimming damn badly, guys. I might also, I might not also. Anyways, so I'm here, time to chill and enjoy. Sure, I don't need nothing else but you. Very copyright, eh?
हुँदैन होला यसरी बसेर.
No to me, this is no to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you, fall for you, fall for you. खास ग्याङ आएको छैन नि यहाँ. विपन्दा, सिद्धु, जिग्मी, मामुदा. Only we three right now. Me, Pranita, and PP over here, So guys, if the entire gang was there before, you know what we used to do? We used to come for picnics, eh? We used to get gang chicken, eh? You remember those days? It's the chicken, kya mitho banainthyo feri sabaijanale ho. And we used to, drink and all, we used to chill. Hyderabad.
खोलामा चाहिँ लेक्सेपको खोलामा चाहिँ हैदराबादी चिकन बनाइदियो केटाहरूले. दौरामा है.
Plus daurama pakeko चाहिँ दामी क्या आम्बो है Pranita. Yo, what's up, brother? Look who's here, guys. Sonal is here. Welcome to my vlog, buddy.
Okay, da.
Ready to swim, Aju?
Yeah.
म त नगर्दिन नि.
Why that?
घाँटी दुख्दैछ कि त्यही
Oh,
कारण.
same.
I might अब तिमीहरूले गऱ्यो भने गर्छु होला.
Yeah. मेरो पनि घाँटी दुखिरहेछ तर पनि स्टिल.
Anyways, हिजोको भिडियो दामी भयो.
दामी भयो.
More is coming, guys. More is coming. So, ल.
मेरो दा why so sentio? Why so sentio?
अनि प्रिपेयर गर्दैछु.
Mentally? And it looks so cold, man. Let me try once. Achoo!
Guys, everything is so beautiful, okay? Bastima, Kasam bhaneko, Lake Shep. I love Lake Shep, Jani. The West Sikkim is full of life, guys. I'm normally, in a city place, busy, traffic everywhere, so much hectic lifestyle, Jani. But when I come outdoors over here, it's like refreshment for a change, man. Like, you get to be better for yourself. You don't look at the past, you only look at the present and you do good for the... I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm enjoying life. Anyways, guys, the view is beautiful, guys. So guys, yep, I'm here at the river bank and I've been thinking, Unjani, like, why am I vlogging these days instead of, doing some other work, spending so much time just vlogging, taking videos. Why, that question arises. When I'm about to sleep, all those questions start coming in my mind. It lingers around, and I just talk to myself saying that why, it's because not because I have nothing else to do. It's because I want to get better with my work. Whatever I'm doing in life, I want to give 100%. I was not that type of Binayak before. the friends and all, whoever know me, I spoiled 2 colleges, guys. Today I'm telling you, once one college was in Kolkata, MIT University. I spoiled that, okay? I dropped out and I came back to Sikkim. Then I joined Manipal, and I dropped out from Manipal also. And there were various reasons, and it just, I was like completely lost, 2017, 2018, 2019, 3 years, I didn't do anything, guys. So I wanted to, start something in my life, guys. If not, like a 9-to-5 job, 9-to-5 kind of work, or any government work, or, any private corporation work. I wanted to do something for myself, that keeps me happy. So I found like the perfect thing, vlogging, YouTube. And there were a lot of people behind me who were supporting me, and a lot of people who were even discouraging me. But guys, I'm giving my best right now. And the truth is, I am loving it. I'm enjoying whatever I'm doing, guys. I'm not lying. So I think it's best if I continue this and take it to the top. That's the only thing that I want to do right now. And I'm being honest with you guys. I am being honest. I love what I'm doing right now. Vlogging is my thing for now, okay? If not for, a long run, I will keep on doing till, till like, jalisama garnu sakchu. So that was one thing that I wanted to open up with you guys, Instead of just being a loafer, like not doing anything in life, depending on mom's money or dad's money. Nah, I just wanted to experience life in a different way, yeah? So that I can, be busy, I can do a lot, I can travel, I can vlog, and I can show you all the good side of the world, Jenny. So that was one thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and I thought this was the perfect moment by the riverside. So yeah, guys, that's me, Mr. Naste, vlogging. I didn't know that I would come this far, making 13-14 videos. Who knows, I might even go up to 100 video, but I'm gonna keep on doing, no matter life ma jatti haters house, let them say whatever they want to say. I don't give a damn, as long as it keeps me happy and running, I'm gonna do that, So guys, thank you all, whoever has supported me till now, I love you so much, guys, you guys are the rock of my life, you guys commented such nice things. You all motivate me so much to do more, and I still have the youth and the energy, and I think I can achieve a lot through YouTube. So that's me, man. Oh, I look like a Chinese gunda. Have you ever watched that movie in Netflix, Polar? The main boss is there, that ugly one who puts lotion. I look like that guy. If I had less hair, I look like that guy. Anyways, guys, you all should watch Polar. Polar. It's a good action movie. I'm sure the guys will love it. Orko kura, guys, I need to put on some weight, man. I'm way too skinny. I'm being very consistent. I don't know how to say that word. Regular. Consistency, consistent. Ayo, Mr. Naste, can't even say that. Anyways, I wanted to say, I'm being very regular, more everyday vlogs. It's more or less like daily vlogs. I need to like do some good editing. As my laptop, my guys are gonna put for me Filmora. I think that's a good editing app. I had some editing software, but I didn't know how to use it, guys. So Filmora, but I found it quite easy and reasonable for early vloggers, and I'm gonna try on that, guys. Hi guys, what's up? So Ajoko vlog, I'm gonna end with my tattoo tour. First things first, I'll show you my first tattoo, which I made in Darjeeling, class 9. This is my first tattoo, It's Taurus. But guys, guess what? I'm not Taurus, I'm Gemini. I tattoo बनाइसकेर एक महिना जस्तो बाद साथीहरुले म Gemini हो भन्दा कस्तो चाहिँ मन दुख्यो होला, Anyways, this is my second tattoo. It's koi fish, I thought it's gonna be lucky, but I never got lucky, And my third tattoo is this one. It's a pentagram, because त्यति बेला बिन्नु भाइ हल्का Illuminati fields मा थियो, devil worship and shit, And this the other one. This is also the polygon tattoo, a dotted tattoo, but incomplete because I don't have patience and shit. And I have to strip for you now. Halka stripping because I have to show you my other tattoo. See, La Familia, gang. यो चाहिँ सबै केटाहरूको पनि छ होइन ला फेमिलिया हो सरी इफ आई हेभ स्किनी लेग्स होइन सेक्सी इनफ हो एन्ड द लास्ट बट नट द लिस्ट यो चाहिँ ओभर बिग्रेको छ गाइस यहाँ देखाउनु न दिस इज अ मिस्टेक बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक इन माई लाइफ आई डोन्ट केयर होइन एन्ड दिस वान हसल हार्ड गाइस हो यु सुड अलवेज हसल हार्ड इन लाइफ क्या नो म्याटर वाट डिफिकल्टिज यु हेभ होइन हसल हार्ड क्या Alright guys, so मलाई मजा आयो right now होइन so I'm going home. I have only 1% and I am keeping the battery. What I wanted to say was म घर पुगेर I'll see you all. So signing off for now from Khola side.